Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. How are you? All of you are safe and fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is some news floating that schools may reopen from 15th July, of course, for the senior section. Let us see what happens. You want the schools to be reopened?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, all of you have got bored now, isn't it? Sitting in the house,
Yes, ma'am.
confined to the house for so long period.
Ma'am, too much bold.
Too much bored. Uh, what to do? No option. Let us see. Situation is under control. Maybe this month or next month, at least for the senior section, it will be open if situation is under control. Because vaccination drive is going on uh, full swing. Of course. Okay. So, how did the girls make fun of Wanda? What did they ask and make fun of her? Who will answer?
They
What?
asked from Wanda how many dresses you have and how many shoes you have and other things, and Wanda replied, and they make fun.
Yes, they asked Wanda how many dresses you have, and then Wanda would reply 100, all lined up in my closet. And then they would ask Wanda that all silk. uh, so Wanda would say that some are silk and velvet too, and then all are of different colors, different designs. Then they would ask Wanda that how many pairs of shoes you have. Then Wanda would reply 60 pairs, all different. And after Wanda would go walk some distance, they would all laugh together at her back. हम मिल के सब जो है उसके पीठ पीछे हंसते थे. Wanda was so innocent that she did not even understand that the girls were making fun of her. वो आराम से जो भी उसको सवाल पूछा जाता तो वो आराम से जवाब देती थी, because she was so simple hearted, uh, that she did not even understand that the girls were asking these questions to make fun of her. So they couldn't help bursting into shrieks and peals of laughter. So when she after replying to the question, she would go away, and then what would all the girls do? They would burst into laughter. So 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 what positive qualities did Peggy have? Though Peggy bullied Wanda, she is also said to have possessed some positive qualities. What are the positive qualities that Peggy has? Who will reply?
Ma'am, can
Ankita?
I?
Okay, Aditya. Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, Peggy protected small children from bullies
Okay.
and she cried when she saw an animal mistreated.
Yes. So Peggy is making fun of Wanda, but she is not totally a bad girl. She was not really cruel. Peggy also had some positive qualities in her. She was not cruel. She protected the small children from bullies. So, children from bullies, and she was an animal lover. Peggy was also an animal lover. She did not want any animal to be mistreated. If anybody had said to her, "Don't you think that is a cruel way to treat Wanda?" तो अगर किसी ने पेगी को बोला कि वंडा के साथ इतना वो बुरा व्यवहार क्यों करती है, क्रूएल, so she would have been very surprised. Cruel? Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? So Peggy has her own excuses for making fun of Wanda. Peggy के पास अपना एक्सक्यूज था कि वो वंडा का मजाक क्यों उड़ाती है. क्या एक्सक्यूज था कि वंडा झूठ क्यों बोलती है. So Peggy has her own excuse. If someone asks her that why do you treat Wanda so cruelly? Why do you make fun of her? Then what she would reply? That why did the girl say she has 100 dresses? So Peggy is not really cruel or really bad, but she makes fun of Wanda because she thinks that Wanda is telling a lie. Why Peggy is angry with Wanda? Why she tells lie all the time that she has 100 dresses? She wears the same faded blue dress every day to school. स्कूल तो वो हर दिन एक ही फेडेड ब्लू ड्रेस पहन के आती है. वो ड्रेस जो उसको फिट भी नहीं करता है. इट डजंट हैंग राइट ऑल्सो. तो पेगी हैज हर ओन एक्सक्यूजेस फॉर मेकिंग फन ऑफ वंडा. She says that she makes fun of Wanda because Wanda is a liar, according to her. Uh, so anybody could tell that that was a lie. So she says that everybody knows that Wanda is telling a lie because she wears the same dress every day. If someone has 100 dress, why will he or she repeat the same dress? Why did she want to lie? And she wasn't just an ordinary person. Else, why did she have a name like that? And another reason why Peggy made fun of her was she had a very strange name. American children had easy pronouncing names, whereas Wanda's name was very different from the American children. Of course, she belonged to another country, and that is why her name was different. Anyway, they never made her cry. लेकिन पैगी के पास अपना ये था कि चलो उसको रुलाते तो नहीं हैं. वंडा को पता भी नहीं था कि सारे लड़कियां उसका मजाक उड़ाने के लिए वो सवाल पूछती है. So she didn't even know that they were asking such questions to make fun of her. So she never cried. They never made her cry. As for Maddie, this business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses and how many hats, so this was a regular feature. Every day they would ask her the same question. Every day they would make fun of Wanda before school and after school. How many dresses and how many hats and how many this and that she had was bothering her. But Maddie was bothered about this making fun game. Why Maddie was bothered? Maddie क्यों bothered थी? क्यों Maddie खुद ही गरीब थी. One reason why the girls made fun of Wanda was she belonged to a poor family, wore the same dress, lived in a very remote, faraway locality, Boggins Heights. Wanda lived at Boggins Heights, a muddy area. We know this because when she came to school, her feet were scraped with mud, uh, caked mud, dry mud. And this is one of the reasons why the girls did not allow her, why the American girls did not allow her to sit with them. Her feet were covered with mud, and so she was made to sit with the rough boys. So um, one reason why they did not allow Wanda to mix with them was her poverty also. And Maddie was worried because Maddie was poor herself. ये बात और थी कि स्कूल में किसी को पता नहीं था कि she also belonged to a poor family, because she wore the dresses given by rich people. She wore the dresses given by other rich people, and uh, in this way she managed to hide her poverty from her classmates. She usually wore somebody's hand me down clothes. So thank goodness she didn't live up on Boggins Heights. Uh, so sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in mocking polite voice. Mocking means what? Mocking? Anybody answer? Hello? Hello?
Make
Yeah. Make fun. Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand. So gradually, Maddie wanted to stop this fun game. मैडी चाहती थी कि अब जो है पेगी वंडा का मजाक नहीं उड़ाए, क्योंकि उसे लगता था कि मे बी शी becomes the next victim once the girls come to know about her poverty. So she just tried to distract her mind by looking at the marbles rolling in her hand. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda. So she wanted to stop this bullying game. Maddie wanted to stop this bullying game. But what was the reason? Was it because she had some sympathy for Wanda? Nahi. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda. So Maddie wanted to stop this bullying, stop this making fun of Wanda, but it was not because she had some genuine feelings for Wanda. Huh? She would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. But suppose Peggy and all the others started in on her next. Maddie ka, what was the thing worrying Maddie? The thing that was worrying Maddie was that if the girls came to know that she was also poor, they would start making fun of her next, started in on her next. This was worrying Maddie. She wasn't as poor as Wanda, perhaps, but she was poor. हो सकता वंडा के जितनी वो गरीब न हो. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. And Maddie also thought to herself that she is not such a foolish girl that she will tell a lie to the girls like Wanda, and still she would not like them to begin on her. But it's very natural in any case. Madeline did not want the girls to make fun of her next. Still, she would not like for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. Okay. So, what was Maddie's desire? That Peggy would stop teasing Wanda. Okay. So now Snap homework is functioning properly. Hello. आज तो
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So today, even though they had been late to school, Maddie was glad she had to make fun of Wanda. She had uh, she had not had to make fun of Wanda. So gradually, Maddie wanted to stop all this, and the reason was not that she had any feelings for Wanda. The reason was that she thought that she could be the next victim of this bullying game. Hmm? She had not had to make fun of Wanda. So now she wanted to stop all this. She wanted the girls and her best friend Peggy Maddie and Peggy were best friends. She worked her arithmetic problems absent-mindedly. So, see, one day, Maddie is not able to concentrate on her work, absent-minded, because she is very tensed, very worried that maybe girls will start making fun of her next. So, what is the worrying Maddie now? Maddie is worried that maybe she will be the next victim. 8 times 8, let us see. She wished she had the nerve to write Peggy a note because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy. Now, what was Maddie thinking? That she should tell her friend to stop this bullying. So now Maddie wanted to tell Peggy to stop this bullying, but she did not have the courage to speak to her. So Maddie wanted to tell Peggy to stop this bullying, but she did not have the courage to tell her. चाहती तो थी वो कि पैगी को बोल दे कि अब ये सब बंद करो, लेकिन मैडी के पास उतना करेज ही नहीं था कि वो अपने दोस्त को सही एडवाइस दे सके. So she did not have the courage to tell her friend. So she thought कि क्यों नहीं मैडी को ये पैगी को एक छोटा सा नोट लिख के दे दें. She thought of writing a small note giving advice to Peggy to stop this bullying. Hey Peg, let's stop asking. नोट में वो क्या लिखना चाहती थी? Hey Peg, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses how she has. So she thought that she will write a small note to her friend. बात करने का तो नहीं था हिम्मत, तो क्यों नहीं छोटा सा नोट लिख के उसको दे दे. When she finished her arithmetic, she did start a note to Peggy. After the maths class, she started writing a note to Peggy, giving her advice to stop the bullying. Hey Peg, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses. But suddenly she paused. She shuddered. Shuddered means became scared. किस बात से वो डर गई? She pictured herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy. नोट लिखना शुरू किया, लेकिन उसने बीच में ही नोट को बंद कर दिया. Why? Because she thought that if she gives advice to Peggy, Peggy will make her the new target, and she started imagining that she is the next victim. So Peggy started imagining that she is the next victim. She pictured herself in the schoolyard. Pictured herself means what? Huh? What is?
Imagined herself.
Yeah, she imagined herself. She started imagining herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and the girls. Peggy might ask her where she got the dress she had on. मैडी को लगा अगर पेगी को पता चल जाए कि जो ड्रेसेस वो पहनती है वो उसके नहीं है, तो वो कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछेगी? That whose dress are you wearing? From where have you got the dress that you are wearing? Maddie would have to say it was one of Peggy's old ones. Then what will Maddie reply? She will reply that it was one of the old dresses. It was one of the old dresses of. It was one of the old dresses of Peggy, which her mother had tried to disguise. So, what is the meaning of disguise? Anyone? What is the meaning of disguise? Can you tell me? Hello. Disguise means to change the appearance. Okay. What is the meaning of disguise? Note it down.
To change the appearance.
So what Maddie's mother used to do? She used to make small changes in the original dress. अब वो ऐसा क्यों करती थी कि किसी को पता नहीं चले कि वो अ, किसका ड्रेस है. थोड़ा बहुत वो चेंज कर देती थी. मैडी की मदर ट्राई टू डिस्गाइज विथ न्यू ट्रिमिंग्स, हाँ, डेकोरेशंस और लेसेस. Extra things. So in dress, what will be the extra thing? These decorations or laces. So no one in room 13 would recognize it. So Maddie's dress was also the leftover dresses of rich uh, children. But her mother, she tried to change the appearance of those dresses by adding something extra so that nobody would recognize it. If only Peggy would decide on her own accord. Now, what did Wanda start? What did Maddie start praying? Maddie started praying to God that, oh God, give Peggy the wisdom to stop all this bullying game. If only Peggy would decide of her own accord to stop having fun with Wanda. Oh well, Maddie ran her hand through her short blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. So now uh, Maddie is very, very uncomfortable, feeling that she will be the next victim. This thought is worrying Maddie a lot. Huh? So she ran her hand through her short blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. What difference did it make? Slowly, Maddie tore into bits the note she had started. So she had started to write a note of advice to her friend Peggy to stop the bullying, but she tore it into bits because she did not have the courage even to give her a note. सामने बोलने का करेज तो था नहीं, लेकिन नोट भी लिख कर देने का करेज नहीं था. So she started to write the note that, hey Peg, let's stop all this. But she stopped it midway. She tore it. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole school, whole room. So we already know that Peggy is very popular girl, best liked, popular, lokpriya. Why she is popular? Can anyone tell me why Peggy is so popular?
Because she is pretty.
Yes, very good. She is pretty. She wears beautiful dresses. So, like, so in a way, the writer is trying to tell us this the condition of today's society where people go for show and glamour. They don't see the values. Like if we see Wanda, she is very decent, very nice girl, and she has good qualities in her, but yet nobody likes her just because she is poor. So uh, society runs after money and beauty and wealth, and they don't give importance to values. So just as this is portrayed in the mentality of the American children. Hmm? Best liked girl in the whole room. So Peggy is very popular. She's beautiful. She wears beautiful dresses. Uh, Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. तो मैडी को पता था कि पेगी उतनी बुरी भी तो नहीं है कि बहुत कुछ गलत कर दे. थोड़ा बहुत मजाक उड़ा लेती है. तो so as for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived up on Boggins Heights. So this is the place where Wanda lived, muddy area, and stood alone in the schoolyard. So we very well know Wanda had no friends, nobody mixed with her. She was made to sit on the last bench. The girls did not include her in their hopscotch games. So she was all the time all alone in the school. She scarcely ever said anything. hardly ever said anything. Very, very quiet girl. Hmm? You know the difference between quiet and quiet? Is there any difference? Pronounced in the same way.
One means silence and one means to quit. Ma'am, to leave.
ये क्विट नहीं है, क्वाइट है. लीव तो क्विट होता है, QUIT. क्वाइट. वन क्वाइट मीन्स मच और वेरी. जैसे कि दिस रूम इज क्वाइट डर्टी, बहुत ज्यादा गंदा है. शी इज क्वाइट quite dirty. Means what? It's very dirty. Huh? So one quiet means silent, and QUITE quiet. That means something which is lot, much, very. And one is quit. So this is quit. To leave. Okay. So so she scarcely ever said anything to anybody. The only time she talked was in the schoolyard about her 100 dresses. So she's very quiet girl, and she never talked in the school. And what was the only time she talked? When she gave a reply to the girls' questions, how many dresses you have? So Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, pale blue with colored trimmings. And Wanda even used to describe her dresses. वो अपने ड्रेसेस का डिस्क्रिप्शन भी देती थी कि उसके ड्रेसेस कैसे हैं. तो वंडा टॉक्ड अबाउट वन ऑफ हर फेवरेट ड्रेस. व्हाट वाज दैट फेवरेट ड्रेस? Pale blue with colored trimmings. So Wanda said that she has one very favorite favorite nice dress, and that dress is pale blue in color. It has colored trimmings. She remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with red sash. Sash means just a covering on the shoulder, shawl के जैसे. तो Wanda used to talk about her two favorite dresses. What were her two favorite dresses? One was pale blue dress with colored trimmings. Another favorite dress was jungle green with red sash. You would look like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in pretended admiration. Pretended means not real, fake. Pretended, pretend करना मतलब क्या होता है? Act करना. तो pretended मतलब fake, acting. Because none of the girls liked Wanda. From what we know in the story, none of the girls liked Wanda. So, with just fake admiration for Wanda, what did they say? That if you wear that green dress with red sash, you look like a Christmas tree. तो वंडा अपने दो ड्रेसेस का डिस्क्रिप्शन भी करती थी. She told the girls she had two dresses which was very close to her heart. Her favorite dresses, one was pale blue with trimmings, and the other was jungle green with a red sash. So, and the girls then they would comment कि अगर जंगल ग्रीन ड्रेस पहनेगी तो वो क्रिसमस ट्री के तरह दिखेगी. तो और जो गर्ल्स थी वो प्रिटेंडेड एक्टिंग करती थी कि वो एडमायर करती है वंडा को. रियलिटी, व्हाट वाज द रियलिटी? नो वन एडमायर्ड वंडा. Thinking about Wanda, so thinking about Wanda and her 100 dresses all lined up in a closet. And what did Wanda tell about her dresses? कि उसके सारे ड्रेसेस जो है बहुत अच्छे से अरेंज किए हुए हैं उसके अलमीरा में, शेल्फ में. So Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and the coloring contest. So now there was a competition in their school. Contest. What was the contest? It was a drawing and coloring contest. So there was a drawing and coloring contest held in the school, and Maddie started thinking, who is going to win in this competition? And for girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses. What was the topic? For girls, it was designing dresses, and for boys, it was designing motor boats. So, contest was to be held in the school. A drawing and coloring contest for girls. The topic was designing dresses. For boys, the topic was designing motorboats. And of course, Peggy would win the girls' medal. Peggy was thought to be the most talented girl. So everybody thought that Peggy will win the girls' medal because Peggy drew better than anyone else in the room. Peggy was good at drawing also. Uh, she drew better than anyone else in the room. At least that's what everybody thought. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star's head so that you could almost tell who it was. पेगी जो है वो किसी भी मैगजीन से कोई फिल्म स्टार का पोर्ट्रेट बना सकती थी और पेगी का पोर्ट्रेट देखकर कोई भी कह सकता था कि वो कौन है मीन्स she had the ability to copy a picture from a magazine, a film, the picture of a film star from a magazine. So she was good at drawing and painting, and everybody thought that uh, Peggy would win the contest. Maddie was sure Peggy would win. Well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners. Next day the teacher was going to announce the winners, then they would know. मतलब drawing contest हो चुका था और ड्राइंग कॉन्टेस्ट हो चुका था स्कूल में और रिजल्ट जो है वो नेक्स्ट डे आने वाला था. Then they would know. Of course, guess था कि Peggy will win the competition. She was good at drawing. The next day it was drizzling. So next day it was drizzling. Drizzling means light rain. हल्की फुल्की बारिश. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. So Maddie and Peggy came to school under Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, on a day like this, they didn't wait for Wanda. हर दिन वो रुकते थे वंडा का मजाक उड़ाने के लिए, लेकिन रेनी डे में नहीं रुकते थे. They didn't wait on a day like this. Means on a rainy day, they did not wait for Wanda. Wanda Petronsky on the corner of Oliver Street. किस जगह वो वंडा का इंतजार करते थे? Corner of Oliver Street. The street that far away under the railroad tracks and up the hill led to Boggins Heights. So Oliver Street was the way to Boggins Heights. It was very far away under the railroad tracks. Anyway, they weren't taking chances on being late today. अब वंडा बहुत दिनों से आ नहीं रही थी. मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे for 3 consecutive days she was absent. So now they did not want to take any chance because they had been late to school, because today was important. Why today was important?
Teacher was going to announce the winner.
Yes, the teacher was going to announce the winner. Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. So all the girls are very anxious to know the result. Of course, it's very natural. Uh, we all are eager to know about results. So are these girls, and they are guessing also. Oh, I hope so. The minute we get in, said Maddie. Of course, you will win, Peg. Maddie ने कहा, क्या कहा पेगी से कि तुम ही कॉन्टेस्ट जीतोगी. You will win, Peg. Hope so, said Peggy eagerly. Peggy को भी थोड़ा आशा था. Eagerly she replied, hope so. And the minute they entered the classroom, they stopped and gasped. Huh? Take a deep breath. They stopped and gasped. Why did they gasp? Hmm? There were drawings all over the room on every ledge and window sill. So, as soon as they entered the class, they were surprised to see the scene there because uh, on the walls and the window sills of the classroom, beautiful dress designs had been displayed. So all of them were very surprised to see the class decorated with beautiful designs of dresses all over. On the ledge, windowsill, ledge is the small platform outside the window. हाँ, विंडो से थोड़ा सा जो extended area होता है, that is the ledge. Windowsill, dazzling colors, shining colors, and all the dress designs were very beautiful. Shining colors it had, and brilliant, lavish designs are very grand, beautiful, all drawn on great sheets of wrapping paper. So all the designs were drawn on the wrapping paper. There must have been 100 of them. और कितने लगभग डिजाइन्स डिस्प्ले हुए थे क्लासरूम में? 100. There must be these must be the drawings for the contest, and the children guessed that these must be the drawings of the contest because this was the topic of the drawing contest, dress designs for girls. So it was the drawings of the contest. They were. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. So everyone applauded, praised the drawings. Beautiful designs, shining colors. They started showing their appreciation, applauded and praised. How did they show their appreciation? Whistling, admiring, murmured admiringly. Of course, the teacher was not there in the class, so the children were whispering. As soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the results. मिस मेसन ने अनाउंस किया रिजल्ट. बॉयज में जैक बेगीज had won, and his design for an outboard motorboat was on exhibition in room 12. जैक बेगीज का जो डिजाइन था मोटर बोट का वो रूम 12 में था, along with the sketches by all other girls. As for the girls, although just one or two sketches were submitted by most, one girl, and room number 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew one